Hi, everybody. Just wanted to send you a quick little video and give you a sneak preview of what our next topic is going to be. The next topic we're working on in class is going to be income taxes. This is a very appropriate time to be studying about this and learning about this. Your parents, if they haven't already, are probably working on getting their income taxes filed now. Some key terms that we're going to learn are gross income, net income, and income taxes. So I just want to kind of give you a heads up that you also have a quiz that will be coming to you. The quiz will be on simple and compound interest rates, as well as some throwback questions to maybe integer problems, maybe rate problems. So it's going to be worth 30 points. It will be sent to you, I believe, on the 17th, and you have until Sunday to work on it. So if you have any questions, as always, if you're feeling tired, if you're overwhelmed, if you're feeling like you're drowning in work, always reach out to your case manager, let them know what's going on, talk to your classroom teacher, let them know what's going on, and you can also always email your counselors. One of the questions on your quizzes is going to be, what is the next topic we're going to study? So if you're watching this video, you've already got a couple points earned. All right, so that's it. You guys are awesome. We'll see you when class comes back. Bye.